Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on Oukitel K13 Pro. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here begin a search for an app and enter Firefox. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After that process is finished, let's open our app. From here we can start customizing it, so you can choose a theme, pick your toolbar placement, change always on privacy setting. Also you can sign up to synchronize other Firefox using devices and read this privacy notice. Now let's click on start browsing, and from here our browser should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.